How to log in Google Workspace. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. First of all, open up any web browser and head over to workspace.google.com. On this page, you want to click on the Get Started option. The first thing you have to do is sign up. For that, enter your business name and select the number of employees you have. Now click on the Next option. Here, enter your contact information such as your first name, last name, and email address. Click on Next. On the next page, you have to decide if you have a business domain or not. If you do not, click on the No I Need One option. Then you want to enter your domain. If it is available, it is going to show you how much it is going to cost you per year. Click on the Next option if you agree. Then enter your business information such as your street address, city, postal code, and mobile number. Once you have entered all of this, click on Next. Now create a username, then create a password. These things are going to be required in order to log in. Check the box that says I'm not a robot and click on Agree and Continue. Now Google Workspace will decide a plan for you. Click on the option of Try Free for 14 days. Now click on Agree and Continue. Here you will have to add a payment method. Remember that you get a 14-day free trial, and after that trial is over, you will be charged on your payment method. Now click on Agree and Continue. Once you have signed up into Google Workspace, you can use the username and password in order to log into Google Workspace. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.